Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Dragon Age the wheel card game on your PC. Guys, first open up your Android browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website appear on the top, so just open up the Steam website. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top. Click on that. Now here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create. And guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the install Steam you are seeing on the top. Now guys, simply download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is Dragon Age the Wheel Card. Now this game appear on the top, so just open up this Dragon Age game. Now here in this page just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. Now this game is coming on 31 October, so you can just pre-purchase it. If you want to pre-purchase it, just click on the option of add to cart. Now click on the option of view my card, and now here you will see the option of continue to payment. Just click on this, and you have to simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pre-purchase this game, so when this game was available, this game will automatically add it to your Steam library. So just click on this game, then just click on the install when this game was available to play. And this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.